Here's a video of the 3D lunge matrix. There are 8 positions: forward or anterior, anterior lateral, lateral, posterior lateral, backward or posterior, posterior medial, medial, and anterior medial. While lunging, his head, torso, and arms move in a frontal plane to increase the challenge of maintaining balance. He's wearing strobe eyewear to challenge his proprioception to improve his dynamic knee stability. Blood flow restriction bands are on his upper thighs to maximize his muscular fatigue. He has to make rapid adjustments to maintain balance when his moving leg makes contact with the ground. To make a full recovery, you have to perform challenging exercises.